Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is my tool haul from Harbor Freight. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I went to Harbor Freight on their parking lot sale August 19th and picked up a 3-ton floor jack, Pittsburgh, heavy duty. I got it for $62. Pretty much a great deal on that. It's a 3-ton jack that lifts up to 6,000 pounds. Quickly elevates vehicle with rapid pump action. Universal joint release, precision control of load descent and any handle position. Rear casters pivots 360 degrees. Foam bumper prevents damage to vehicles. On the handles, got a foam thing. Heavy duty all weld steel construction. So minimum 5 inches, and the maximum is it will lift up to 18¼ inches. Cars, trucks, SUVs. So straps taking care of it. Heard great reviews on these jacks. So let me reset the camera and let me open it up. 1 second, guys. Alright, brought you in for a closer look closer. So right out of the box, you have your good old owner's manuals and instructions. Our handles. Battleship gray in color. I would suppose that's a color there. Here's the top portion with the rubber safety cushions on it. Not too bad, not too bad. Move stuff out of the way here. And I really don't want to yank it right out of the box, because this was going over to the shop. I think we've all pretty much seen a jack before, but not too bad. Got my Take this around here a little bit to this side. So my sun is bright. My sticker on it, I think right about there. So yeah, decided to get one for get an extra one anyway for the shop. You can never have enough jacks, right? So yeah. So there we go. 1 3/4 ton floor jack. Not a bad price right now at Harbor Freight for sure. But it comes up pretty greased up pretty good right there. So alrighty. Appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Be safe out there, guys, and like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.